You know what? Every guy dreams of building that aesthetic body, the one that turns heads when you walk into a room. But let's be honest, not everyone achieves it. Maybe it's because of lack of time, money, or motivation. But after watching this video, I promise, you'll know exactly how to start and actually see results. If you're between 14 and 25 and you've been thinking, can I build a muscular aesthetic body at home without a gym? Then trust me, bro, yes you can. Because in this video, I'll show you 5 proven steps that will transform your body in just 2 weeks with zero equipment. No gym, no fancy supplements, just your body weight, consistency, and mindset. And at the end of this video, you'll get a complete home workout plan and a simple diet guide to help you reach your goal faster. So, let's start your transformation journey. Step 1, push-pull power. To build that masculine, aesthetic shape, you need wide shoulders, a broad chest, and strong arms. And it all starts with push and pull movements. Let's start simple. Push-ups. They're basic but incredibly effective. Push-ups help build your chest, shoulders, triceps, and tighten your core. If you're a beginner, start with knee push-ups. Once you build some confidence, switch to standard ones. Start with 5 reps, then 10, and keep pushing your limit. Next, incline push-ups. Do them against a table, bed, or wall. They hit your upper chest and shoulders beautifully. Go slow, go controlled, feel every rep. And finally, diamond push-ups. Place your hands in a diamond shape on the floor. This targets your inner chest and triceps. It's tough, but that's exactly why it works. Now for the pull movements. If you don't have a pull-up bar, no worries. Try doorway rows. Loop a towel through your door handles and pull yourself towards the door. It hits your back and biceps. Or if that's not possible, do reverse table dips, great for triceps and upper back. The key is balance. Push and pull. Both are essential for proportion and symmetry. That's how you get a well-defined upper body. Step 2, build that V-shape. The V-shape is what makes an aesthetic physique pop. It's not just about abs, it's about proportion and a tight, strong core. Here are the best exercises for that. 1. Leg raises. Lie flat, lift both legs up, and lower them slowly. Targets your lower abs. 3 sets of 10-15 reps. 2. Plank, simple, powerful. Hold your body straight on your elbows. Start with 30 seconds and increase gradually. 3. Russian twists. Sit down, lift your feet slightly, twist side to side. Great for obliques and defining that V-line. 4. Mountain climbers. From push-up position, drive your knees in quickly. It builds your abs while burning fat. Remember, your abs only show when your body fat is low. So add light cardio and clean eating, and you'll start seeing definition fast. If you do these consistently for 15-20 minutes a day, your core will get stronger, tighter, and sharper, giving your body that perfect V look. Step 3. Build the lower body. Most people skip leg day. Big mistake. Because strong legs, BUR, power, stability, and balance. And let's be real, a good upper body with skinny legs looks weird. Start with bodyweight squats, feet shoulder width apart, hips back, then up. Targets quads, glutes, calves, 3 sets of 15 reps. Lunges, step forward, lower down, push back up. Improves balance and core stability. Wall sit, back against a wall, sit like you're in a chair. Hold for 30-60 seconds, your thighs will burn, that's good. Calf raises. Stand tall, lift on your toes, lower down slowly. Shapes and strengthens your calves. These 4 moves will give you a balanced, athletic lower body. Step 4, recovery and diet. Now listen carefully. Your body doesn't grow in the gym. It grows when you rest, eat right, and recover. You work out for 1 hour a day, but your body transforms in the other 23 hours. And that's why diet matters most. The truth is, most people in South Asia eat meals that lack protein, but to build muscle you need protein every day. Simple sources: eggs, milk, sprouts, peanuts, lentils. Add carbs for energy: rice, roti, fruits, nuts. You don't need extreme diets, just clean, balanced, home-cooked food. And water, at least 3 to 4 liters daily. Hydration improves your performance and recovery. So remember, train hard, eat smart, and rest well. That's the real secret behind fast, long-lasting results. Step 5, consistency and mindset. Now here's the truth. You can have the best workout plan and the cleanest diet, but without the right mindset, nothing works. Consistency is power, and discipline is what builds real transformation. The biggest killer of progress? Overthinking, distractions, energy drainers. You must protect your focus and your energy. And let's be real, one of the biggest energy killers for young guys is addiction to adult content and over-masturbation. It destroys your testosterone levels, motivation, and drive. Science proves that it spikes dopamine artificially and kills real-life ambition. So if you're serious about building your dream body, you need to train your mind as much as your muscles. Create a routine. Stick to it for 21 days without fail. That's how discipline is born. And when you start keeping promises to yourself, you become unstoppable. Because your body follows your mind. Mindset is the foundation. Consistency is the power. Everything else is just the result. Outro. So, brother, if this video gave you even a little bit of motivation, make sure to subscribe and join our journey. And if you're ready to change your life completely in just 14 days, then take 14-day challenge.